Think SUVs are always better? Think again. These 6 sedans in 2026 are proving everyone wrong, and they might be the smarter choice. Number 6. Volkswagen Jetta 2026. Starting price, $21,435. The 2026 Volkswagen Jetta is a compact sedan that blends everyday practicality with refined comfort and modern technology, making it a solid choice for daily commuting and long drives. Power comes from a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission with standard front-wheel drive. Inside, it features a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment display and a digital instrument cluster with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Number 5. Kia Forte 2026. Starting price, $20,915. The 2026 Kia Forte is a compact sedan that combines sharp styling, modern tech, and strong everyday practicality, making it a solid choice for drivers seeking value and comfort in daily driving. Power comes from a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing around 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient performance. Front-wheel drive is standard for confident handling in city and highway driving. Inside, the cabin features a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with quality materials and user-friendly controls. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra 2026. Starting price, $22,000. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra remains a strong contender in the compact sedan segment, offering a great mix of modern technology, efficiency, and performance options at an affordable price. Power comes from a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth daily performance. Hybrid versions improve efficiency, while the N-Line and Elantra N add turbocharged power up to 276 horsepower with manual or dual-clutch transmission options. Inside, the cabin features an available 10.3-inch touchscreen and digital instrument cluster with ambient lighting and premium materials. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Number 3. Mazda 3 2026. Starting price, $23,950. The 2026 Mazda 3 stands out in the compact car class, with its sharp design, refined interior, and engaging driving feel. Available as both a sedan and hatchback, power comes from a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 186 horsepower, while a turbocharged 2.5-liter option delivers up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission, with optional all-wheel drive for confident performance. Inside, the cabin features a clean, upscale design with available leather upholstery, premium audio, and intuitive infotainment. Number 2. Toyota Corolla 2026. Starting price, $22,000. The 2026 Toyota Corolla remains one of the most reliable and practical compact sedans, known for its strong fuel efficiency, comfortable ride, and modern technology. Power comes from a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and standard front-wheel drive for smooth and efficient performance. Inside, the cabin features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a digital driver display on higher trims. Number 1. Honda Civic 2026. Starting price, $24,250. The 2026 Honda Civic continues its reputation as one of the best compact cars, offering strong efficiency, modern technology, and everyday practicality. Available as a sedan, hatchback, or hybrid, it provides a versatile option for many types of drivers. Power comes from a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine on base models, while the hybrid version delivers a stronger 200-horsepower powertrain with improved efficiency. Inside, the Civic offers a modern and user-friendly cabin with available large touchscreens, wireless smartphone integration, and upgraded materials. So, are sedans better than SUVs after all? Tell me what you think in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more awesome car content.